dogs. I know. You guys stay there. Awesome. Thank you. How long has this been acting up for?
My brother just saw it today. To be honest, I don't.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna come down here to let the dogs out. Go back upstairs and do laundry. Don't come down here. Nala.
Nala?
Yeah, Nala.
Nice.
Come on. Come on. Lion King.
Yeah. Perfect. You got the colors for sure. That's awesome.
And then he's King.
Kane?
King.
King.
I didn't know what to name him. My friend named him.
It's a good name.
Yeah, I'm just like, he was so like wrinkly.
Oh, really, eh?
Yeah, like, oh my gosh, he looks so old. I didn't like him, but now he looks good. Puberty hits right.
Yeah.
But before I was just like, okay, what's going on? Yeah, he was the firstborn. His sister looked like a toothpick when we got her.
I thought you were unlocking that. It's like, no.
Yeah, she will jump on you. She will go outside, but
I've never been afraid of dogs, and then one time I was working with my cousin, and he's terrified of dogs. Mm-hmm. And the dog ran right after me. It's like, and ever since that, I don't know if I got bad luck now or what. And it's like, I just,
so scary, man.
yeah. And you know what? My mother's in an apartment, and recently she's on the ground floor. Mm-hmm. And can I sit on this?
Yeah.
The person above her had 3 or 4 pitties. Nice dogs, gorgeous dogs. But they were, let's say, guard dogs,
yeah.
right? So the apartment was getting all new windows. So he was supposed to have the dogs locked up. Mm-hmm. The guys went in. The dogs weren't locked up. It got the guy in his leg. Mm-hmm. Shredded his leg. He almost died because you got that main vein going down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like.
And there are a lot of guys. He bit my finger once. I bled just stay like that.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Walk on. I was like, ah, what are you doing? Yeah. I was like, yep, I'm not back no more. Yeah, even back home, Jamaica, everyone has a dog.
Yeah, eh?
I mean, you just go to someone's house and you get a dog, you know? You can go buy dogs.
Well, that's it, yeah, exactly.
You see a dog on the street, pick it up, bring it home.
Now it's like you go to breeders and everything. It's like,
yeah, up here is so different. And back when we give our dogs like pretty much any food. Raw meat, up here, so it's like, oh, there's dog food. But yeah, I was like, my dad was building his house back home.
Yeah.
And I was walking my dog Fluffy. And he ran off, and I think they were like pit bulls and what's the other one? Another big dog. And like for me to get to my dad, I had to pass their house. They chased me. I literally saw scars. Like with my scar. Where is it? Is it this side or is it this side? I had a scar. It's still from it. I don't have stretch marks. Yeah.
oh wow, eh?
The dogs, and I never trust another dog again. And I come to Canada, then there's little doggies. So I was like, okay.
So did they not have little dogs over there? Like really, eh?
Yeah.
They're all like street dogs in a
Yeah,
sense?
we call them mutts.
Okay.
They're just like.
That should be it.
In like 2019, I think, no, 2018, I went to Jamaica.
Yeah.
And I was connected to my cousins, that's like, so they wound up more down the street. And I was walking at nighttime, and like 5, 6 dogs came at me.
Really?
Like, they were like, if I just like, I could feel their breath on my leg. They're like that far. They're like barking at me. All I'm doing is walking straight, and just like don't make eye contact.
Well, that's it, right? Don't no eye contact, no teeth, because I heard teeth is bad.
I was just like,
Well, because when it comes to dogs, right, you think of like a wolf, right? When it's growling, what's it doing? It's showing its teeth for dominance. Well, people, when they see a dog, they back up and they start smiling. So that, hey, I'm friendly. And it's like, well, they actually think it's aggression then. And it's like, so a lot of people actually get bit because of that. And it's like, so me, I just keep my eyes off them, and keep them in the peripherals, and just try to walk away.
You know, if these were my dog, I would never come to this house. Like when they're outside, this one will like put his hands on the fence, like.
Really?
If look at my house, look at my head. Stop. If you're fooling with drop it off in the driveway and keep going.
So, the problem with this line is, it's your kitchen line, right? And we know it all comes together, but the problem was from the kitchen. Grease.
Yeah, they just did the kitchen in the week.
Last
week. Yeah, I called last week because the kitchen was clogged up too.
Oh, okay.
So they did the kitchen, and I guess it just caught down here and just didn't go through.
Okay, another thing, wipes and tampons. Yeah, so make sure you guys don't flush those, just because, you know what, normally don't tell people this, but if you guys are going to buy wipes, right, buy Cottonelle.
Okay.
Cottonelle, and make sure it says, I don't know if it's like trusted by plumbers or used by plumbers. Those ones actually do break down. These ones don't. So it's just something to keep in mind. Do you have a garbage bag that Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, listen, I sweep up once in a while because I'm going to let them out later on.
Yeah.
I sweep this back in their cage.
Alright.
Yeah. Literally just bought the bed, less than a month. You chewed it up.
My dog does the same thing. It's like you can't even buy toys. So like the toys that are supposed to be indestructible. Yeah.
This booger right here. I bought a $20 big ass tennis ball. 5 seconds later, it's done.
Really, eh?
Yeah, there goes my $20.
Yeah, so,
like I need like a hard like golf ball big for him to play with because
yeah.
I just stopped. Like those big giant bones.
Yeah.
He finished those.
You know what my dog loves? Deer antler or elk antler. They're so fucking expensive though. I literally want to go hunting just to. That's my guy.
That's so cute.
So.
That is so big. Yeah,
Well,
I want his head to be, but it didn't turn out that way.
Did you get him fixed?
No.
It's gotta be the lab in them then.
Yeah.
Because
you see his sisters. This looks more lab.
Really, eh?
Yeah. I have a picture.
I knew a lady. Well, not that I knew her, but I went to her an apartment to snake out a drain. And she had a purebred pit bull, male, female. She got her fixed, like when she was a puppy.
Mm-hmm.
The head never grew at all, and it's like, it grew, but like,
not like
you didn't have that wide head.
Yeah.
And it's like, I asked her, I'm like, it's not purebred, right? She's like, no, she's purebred. I'm like, why is the head so small? She's like, we got her fixed super early.
This is my friend's dog. He trained them pretty much.
Oh, nice.
Blue nose, red nose,
Yeah. No, that's gorgeous.
I walk him like once in a while. Let me see if I can find my dogs.